Sanlam Investments is hoping to improve the lived experience of professionals like teachers, nurses and new entry-level professionals, among others, in terms of access to and affordability of basic quality services. It says that despite the infrastructure investment opportunities in South Africa, less than 2.7% of the country's 5.8 trillion rand of pension savings are allocated to private markets, with infrastructure investment representing only a fraction of this. In its bid to contribute to sustainable development, it's launched the Sanlam Property Impact Fund.
What we're trying to accomplish as a property impact fund is to invest in underlying communities that are in dire need of social infrastructure, and the type of assets that we're looking to providing for these communities include affordable housing, student accommodation, rural and township retail centres, as well as healthcare facilities and educational spaces as well. And we're looking at providing sustainable assets that will meet their long-term ambitions from an economic growth point of view and job creation and sustainability as well.
Sanlam Investments already has investment projects up and running in terms of the Impact Fund, with some 1.4 billion rand of assets under management so far. And the aim is to grow this portfolio in due course. It's invested in Kwaggafontein, a peri-urban rural area in Mpumalanga, and in Sekhukhune in Limpopo, adding that local communities are benefiting from having accessible retail centres.
From a fund growth point of view, we're hoping to grow and have assets under management worth 4 billion rand, diversified portfolio investing in other subsectors, i.e. healthcare, as already mentioned, student accommodation, as well as educational facilities and affordable housing. So that's our grand ambition, to have a diversified portfolio which can always balance itself out to bring forth investors the risk-adjusted returns, as well as meet the impact matrices that we look at holistically from a fund point of view as an impact fund.
Sanlam Investments says there can be even more scope for social investment when the government does its part to make investment more conducive for the private sector, be that through regulation or ensuring that municipalities work better. Meanwhile, the Infrastructure Fund, which was introduced during the 6th administration, was set up to bring critical infrastructure projects to fruition. It says its job is to enable the private sector to invest in infrastructure projects it would otherwise shy away from by eliminating some of the investment hurdles. And given the low penetration of retirement funds invested in the social infrastructure space, it's welcomed Sanlam Investments Property Impact Fund initiative, even seeing a role that it can play in enabling further investment from the fund.
Enabling infrastructure is also our responsibility. So if you're Sanlam and you want to invest in a greenfield where nothing is there, and you want bulk services and you want that needs to be delivered by the municipality, the infrastructure fund can partner the municipality to actually put through a proposal through the budget facility for infrastructure to provide the enabling infrastructure for Sanlam to bring that investment.
Sanlam Investments says its investment in the social infrastructure arena seeks to tick off a number of the UN Sustainable Development Goals, with investment in property creating short-term and long-term jobs, small businesses being able to conduct their enterprises at affordable operational levels at retail malls, while communities in the given areas enjoy localized socio-economic benefits like access to retail centres, education and health facilities, among other services. The fund would look to achieve a 9% annual return on investment. Nompumelelo Siziba, SABC News, Johannesburg.